Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing like the floodlights from Bioled LED. They reached out to me and they asked if I can do the unbox and also the installation as well as the review. In this video, I'm just going to do the unboxing and then just going to give you my impression on the product itself. I'll do the installations in the next coming video. So if you want to learn how to install the LED light, you can also check out my previous videos, or you can just wait for the upcoming videos. Okay, so here goes the unboxing. Put the box away. Slide it out. So this is what we have from the box. There's nothing else inside. A big one, looks like pretty huge. And let's take away the plastic wrappers.
Nice.
Wow. I don't know if you guys can see, but from the impressions, first look, it looks pretty nice. Looks like the housing is like glass. It's a BIOLED LED. This is a 200 watts, and it's IP65. Okay, so looking on the side, we can see the brackets. Bracket here. Wow, this is pretty strong. Like the back housing, the heat sink, looks like it's, I'm not sure if it's metal or plastic, but it looks not bad at all. And we can turn around to the back so you can see it. Okay, so it doesn't come with the instructions, no manual. But I've installed this before, so I know what to do with it. So just from the glance, looks like it's glass. Okay. So that's what it looks like, guys. So it looks like maybe what, like 14 by 13. It's just glue. That is just glue from it. I don't know. Yeah, that's the glue. Be careful with the glass. And it comes with the, but the wiring here, to me, I think it's kind of short. Because usually all the one that I've installed at least like 36 or 48 inches long. This is quite short. Okay, but that is it for the unbox, guys. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe, because in the next video I'll be installing this one to my backyard. And if you haven't watched my other video where I installed 150 watts Statsons, please check out my other video. I'll leave the link somewhere up here. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.